In this video I'll show you how to drill into ceramic tiles. Now I'm changing the bathroom so these don't really matter, but I'll show you two ways with two different drill bits how to do it. So if you've seen another video, I made these with dust catcher. It just stops any dust from going on the floor. You can use a hoover, but the fine dust tends to clog up the filters. So I'll be using a tile bit and also just a standard masonry bit. I'll be putting in a red plug, so I require a 5.5mm hole. Now, some people recommend using masking tape to start your hole to stop the bit slipping. Personally, I've never needed it, but if you're a bit nervous, just put a bit on. Mark your hole and drill through that. But I've never needed it. First of all, I use the tile bit. Put it in your drill, and the drill setting, faster speed. Remember not to put it on hammer action. Just offer it up to your tile. So we'll put it there. Okay. Put the point in the X. Put a little bit of pressure on it. Start off slowly, and you'll hear the drill bit going through the surface of the tile. Just let the drill bit do the work and don't push too hard on it. Okay. So that was the tile bit, and it went through quite cleanly. Now they're quite cheap to buy, so it's worth investing in them. Right, now I'll use the masonry bit. Same drill setup, round drill, faster speed, don't put it on hammer action. So I'll put that one in there. So again, the tip of the drill bit, centre of the X, and start slowly. Both methods work just as well. If when you've drilled through the tile you find what behind it is quite hard, like going into brick, you can then switch to hammer action, but be very careful not to chip the tile. So I've gone into hard brick behind the tile now. Always make sure to go through the tile without the hammer action. So red plug in the hole. Give it a gentle tap with the hammer. Make sure you don't hit the tile. Now if you want to take the plug out again, undo the screw. Put it back in hand tight. Right, if it won't pull out by hand, get something like a piece of wood to protect your tiles. Get a claw hammer, grab the screw and gently just pull the plug out. Okay? Right, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.